Hello, I'm Gayatri.
I'm Pushkar, and hi to all of you who are watching this on Behind Woods.
We are the directors of VA, Quarter Cutting.
Get down.
And we've done one film earlier, which is called Orampu.
Yeah, and second time around also it was good fun making the film, so I hope you guys enjoy watching it. We are just slow in writing, I guess. It takes a long time.
Very laid back, we just like lounge around. Like office na office mari irukadhu nanga. We just like, it's just like we both will be there, we just lounge around. We're not especially like go-getters.
And we don't start off the project till we are completely done with the script, up to the last dialogue. And the writing process generally takes time. Hope this time we can finish the script a little faster at least.
And we were waiting to meet Sashi also. Sashi was correct for our team. Like
producer Sashikant. Then correct so even though there was a long wait, the team with set Sashikant from Why Not Studios and Cloud9 Movies, Durai Alagri and Vivek Ratnavel. So the team nalla அமைஞ்சதுனால it didn't seem like a long wait now. தமிழ்ல வந்து we can write numbers. கான் எழுதினா அதுக்கு அர்த்தம் வந்து 1. So அதே மாதிரி வா வந்து stands for 1/4. So வா is 1/4, 1/4 is quarter. So அந்த title ஓட mix ஆறுது. It goes with the tagline of the film, Quarter Cutting.
We'll just make film. If it becomes a cult, it's awesome.
The cult film is actually not in our hands. It's the audience who perceive it that way. So we make a film which
we like.
And
hopefully it becomes something.
And we like watching this kind of film. So.
Actually, there'll be one change. Like Sura, like our main character Shiva, he speaks Kovai Tamil, like Coimbatore slang. So he is like an outsider who comes into the city, and he experiences the city. So we see it through his eyes. And Marthandan Charan's character, he's been here for a long time. He's a veterinary doctor. He speaks normal Tamil, like what we speak. So the characters they meet, like night poite avanga oorla suthittu irundanga indha mari characters they'll meet, so that language, and we actually like this language.
Yeah, it's a very deliberate effort to bring Chennai oda color, Chennai oda flavor, Chennai oda language in. Ena nariya padam vandirukku based in Chennai, but it is not about Chennai. And kadai vandu enga venalum thooki veikalam. இந்த கதை வந்து மெட்ராஸ்ல மட்டும் தான் நடக்க முடியும், சென்னையில மட்டும் தான் நடக்க முடியும்.
நேட்டிவிட்டி ரூரல் இதுல நேட்டிவிட்டி எடுத்துறாங்களா அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம சிட்டில.
நம்ம சிட்டியோட நேட்டிவிட்டி இது. It's a comedy adventure. It's a quirky comedy more than anything else.
Yeah, and it's quirky. I like the word quirky. He's a funny guy. If he says good morning also, it's funny. Like he's awesome.
Shivaக்கு ஒரு incredible sense of comic timing இருக்கு. சும்மா நடந்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது அவன் thank you அப்படினு சொன்னாலே it will be very funny. எதுக்குனே தெரியாது, ஆனா சிரிப்பு வந்துரும்.
அதே சொன்னா ஃபிளாட்டா இருக்கும். And அவன் எக்ஸ்பிரஷனே இல்ல, he look like blank அந்த மாதிரி. So he's just perfect for the film.
Shiva was just perfect for a comic role. And Shiva is actually a very talented guy, not only in terms of like performance, but அவன் குட்டி குட்டி ideas கொடுப்பான். His dancing. He has written the lyrics for one of the songs actually. So his contribution to the whole project has been very good. So I guess it's good that Shiva fell into place.
And he and Charan also share one chemistry, actual chemistry. So that works out well in the film.
Yeah, actually the chemistry between Shiva and Charan is the most important in the film. Generally write the script and then look at who will fit the role perfectly அப்படினு. அதுல நிறைய ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் போயிட்டு we settled on Shiva, because like suddenly Shiva, when he came into the picture,
that we settled down on
it just ஐயோ இதுதான் முதல் ஐடியாவே, this is the correct thing அப்படினு ஆயிடுச்சு.
Lekha actually plays a schoolgirl. She's konjam ditzy schoolgirl. Avar 3 thara fail aita, so she wants to kill herself kinds. And through the night, she's also part of the journey. There's no love track actually. There's no love track. And avaloda like from a ditzy dumb chick with very low self-esteem, there is one change. I mean, she gets a little more confidence and through the journey, and she joins them through the journey. Apart from Lekha, Charan and Shiva, there are like lots of little very
main characters is John Vijay. John Vijay oda character lo or interesting thing irukku that we don't want to reveal right now. But John Vijay plays a gambling den owner. It's called Prince in the film. So avanukku vandu we have given him a look which is konjam out there. But we think it will be
no, but he is also out there.
So
kind of goes. And apart from these main guys, are like lot of small characters. Okay, Kalyan has done one role.
Choreographer Kalyan has done a role.
He's done a role.
Abhinay Shree has done the role of a police officer.
And Craig,
who was with SS Music, he has done a character in the film.
He's actually come as a Nanglo boy. So.
And idella therinja perunga ivungala thavara we have got it's a journey through the night, so they meet a bunch of characters in the film. So ivungala thavara there are a lot of new actors and people whom you have seen in other films but wouldn't have noticed. The mari nariya characters we have brought into
and
the
like
film.
lot of like sweet names and all, like Prince John's characters avanga adiyalanga vandu vettu kuthunu rendu per irupanga. And the mari chinna characters, like tons of characters, and actually we have 2 stray dogs also acting.
And the dogs cast பண்றது தான் பெரும் தொல்லை ஆயிடுச்சு. We didn't want a breed dog. நம்ம மெட்ராஸ் ரோட்ஸ்ல பாக்குற மாதிரி we wanted to
நல்ல ஒரு பியூர் தெருநாய் வேணும். அதுக்கு வந்துட்டு அது தேடி அது வேற ட்ரெயின் கீன் ஏதோ பண்ண வச்சு
அந்த 2 நாள் ஷூட் தான் தள்ளி போயிட்டே இருந்தது. 3 months later, almost when we were finishing the shoot, we found the correct dogs to do
and
those
Charan
roles.
has an uncanny knack of being friendly with dogs, so they were not even chasing him properly. He is simply awesome. Like naanga first film avroda work pannom, we share like a fantastic rapport, and just not the music, his RR is big kick ass. I mean, it's like awesome. Like
GV oda like naanga modalla when we signed him up for Orompo, அப்போலேருந்து right from the get go itself அவனை ஒரு நாளைக்கு போய் மீட் பண்ணோம். We told him the story, then அப்போலேருந்து it has been always like same wavelength la irukka.
And actually not just I mean like music, we whenever we get an idea, he is one of the first guys we pitch it to.
GV is somebody whom we trust a lot, so avan solradhu vandu we just take it at face value.
Story, so
and GV oda work பண்றது is always good fun. Usually in the first tune second tune kulla tune set ஆயிடும்.
Actually
tell him this is what is happening. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு mood அப்படினா வந்து he'll come up with something the next day or the day after that, and it'll usually be perfect. Idorke I think only once or twice we asked for machi innoru tune kodra. I think only once or twice. Mathadella first time.
Actually you should check out the RR. I mean, he's done some really funky stuff.